This trailer of foods that we are seeing, that they are flashing before our very eyes, really get to the right people. Like the right people who truly need these food items, will truly get to them, because we are in Nigeria. Anything is possible, anything can happen. Okay, so in a post made by Governor Hope Uzodimma on his X account, which is former Twitter, he was seen praising President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his commitment to supporting Nigerians, especially during this period of spiritual renewal, this period of Ramadan. So on behalf of the president, Hope Uzodimma officially flagged off the distribution of food items to Christians and Muslims across the southeast and south-south regions as they conclude their fasting seasons. In Governor Hope Uzodimma's remarks, he commended President Tinubu for always being in tune with the struggles of the people and encouraged Nigerians to pray for wisdom for their leaders so the country's development can be sustained. He also assured that the food supplies, which include trailer loads of rice, carton of Indomie, and other essential food items that you can think of, will be shared across 11 states in the southeast and south-south regions. He also emphasized the importance of ensuring that these items reach the most vulnerable members of the society. My question again, will it truly get to the vulnerable members of the society, those who truly need the food? It's a good thing to know that at least they are sharing it to the Christians and the Muslims across the regions. Anyway, at this point, I feel so speechless because I don't even know what to say. Is this really important at this critical point in our lives as Nigerians? Watch the video and let me know what you think. Hope Uzodimma has spoken, and drop your thoughts in the comments.
So I want, on behalf of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, whose gifts we are distributing today. I'm here as a messenger of a man I believe so much that means well for Nigeria. This is a holy period for the Christians. It represents a period of Lenten period. Those who believe in the coming and the death of Jesus Christ knows that this is the period our Lord Jesus Christ fasted, after which the three temptations came. And by the grace of God, it is also coinciding with holy period for the Muslims, the period of Ramadan. So this interim intervention is to cushion the effect of the gap that will be created between the period of planting and the period of harvest. So I want to thank you, the religious leaders from the 11 states of Southeast and South-South, for coming to Owerri, the capital of Imo State, to receive the gift and message from the President of Nigeria. As you pray, I've listened to the President. I've read his articles. I went through his manifesto. I have seen him work and commitment to keeping his manifesto. What he does not need now is distraction. So as you pray for God not to allow the President to be distracted. The President magnanimously brought trailer loads of rice, which is every state will get 1,200 bags for breaking of fast. Many cartons of Indomie, 1 trailer load for the Christian community, 1 trailer load for the Muslim community. It is very symbolic, because it will be easy for God to answer our prayers if we live together and work together. And be transparent in delivering these foodstuffs to those who need it, the poor and the downtrodden, those who are not able to see what they will use to break fast. You who have 10, 15 bags of rice in your house, you don't need this rice. Give this rice to those who don't have any to eat. As you do that,